Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to combine multiple files in Power BI and how to regularly update this. So the reason why I chose this is because in corporate you'll have to make a report, and normally it could be monthly data, weekly data, daily data, and you would have to refresh it on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. So let's get moving forward. So first let's open Power BI. Okay, blank report. And then from here we go to get data, and then you would click folder. So you would find a path where all the files you have, ideally they should be in the same place. So I made a folder named project. You click on this, click OK. You could see that we have the January and February data. You would click combine, always click combine and transform. It's always good practice to see what data you're working with. Click sheet 1. This is important because all the sheets should be named the same, otherwise it will not load. Now, as you could see, the data for January and the data for February have been loaded. What we can do now is we can close and apply. And then we could take a look at our data. So let's look at our data right now. You can see that we have January and February. And to update this now, right, open your file manager wherever you put your specific folder. For example, I put my folder in the desktop. We went on project, and then I put my other, let's say you get your next month's data. I put in download orders March. I drag it in here. And now as you see this, we can refresh the data because the data is in the same folder. As long as it's the same columns, you could see now that we have the March data. So this is useful once you have a Power BI report built in, and then if you want to consistently update, just keep dragging and dropping into the folder. There you have it. Please like and subscribe if you would like to see more. Comment if you have any other use. I'm going to try to make videos specifically catered towards people who are working with Power BI at their jobs and what I would find the most useful on a day to day.